Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. In this tutorial, we will see how we can send post request through Swagger and how we can create the documentation for post requests. So let's see our code. We have already written method, API method for post request, where we have this is the URL, API URL that we have to use. So for that, let me just copy the top one and let's paste it for post method. So here we have to change API as add book, so we can say / add book, then this should be the post method. Summary we can change that, we can say used to insert data to MongoDB, and description we can change later. So, and in response, so let's say if I'll send any post request here, suppose I want to use C#2 and let's say if I'll send, we are getting added successfully. So if I'll copy this message, go here, and we don't need these all things, we have to only use as a response. We can say in description we will get added successfully. Content and these all things is not required, although we will delete it. So required is body. In the postman you can see we are passing this data in the body, so we can use the same thing, and here I'll write request body, and then we can say that we need it, so I write required, it's true, it's mandatory. Then we can say content should be application /JSON, this is the content type, and then we can say a schema. So a schema I have to use so that we will not have to write the field name manually. I'll just copy it and paste it here. This is a schema, we don't need these things, just delete it /. So basically I have to delete it carefully, right? So this is all that I think we have to write for post method. So you can see we have written Swagger, add book, and then this is post method, summary, description, and in the request body it is required as true. Content should be application JSON, a schema should be component schema and book. Now let's save it, and we can go here and refresh it. Once we have refreshed, now you can see we have one more thing coming, post, and then this is the method. Although here we should also see a schema that we have created.